What's good, y'all? Y'all already know what it is. I don't like to waste time, so let's get right into this video unboxing this Glock 17 Gen 5. Well, you guys see what it is. Let's get into it. Woo, baby. First Glock ever. Yeah, so as you can see, what comes inside of this Glock box is clearly and truly Glock perfection. So you get a nice little lock, You get the Glock 17 Gen 5 itself, obviously. Wow, this is pretty nice, man. Good way to spend some money. I got mine on a nice deal. It was a law enforcement trade-in. Again, brand new in box, matter of fact, and it already has night sights on it. So that was a good little trade, a way to save about roughly almost $100 or so, depending on which night sights you get. So I didn't have to pay for that. It also came with 3 magazines, so 1, 2, and 3. That's pretty nice. It came with some back straps, so if you like to have different backstrap configurations or setups, you can go ahead and go with this. And it actually looks like whatever this is connected to that's holding these back straps, it actually looks like you could probably use it to push out this pin back here. Let's see if we could do that. Let's see if I could do that. Oh yeah. Wow, you could actually use this to push that pin out right there. That's pretty handy. So it comes with those back straps. You could use that, push the pin out. That's actually pretty cool. I was not expecting that. It just kind of looked like it. Anyway, so you get that. You get a speed loader to help you load these mags, because it's 3-hole mags, so that's beautiful. You get this to help you clean out your barrel. So you have this little attachment as well to put at the end. You can go ahead, clean out your barrel. And then obviously, I'm just gonna guess inside of this is the Glock, it's gonna be the Glock manual inside of this. So it tells you about the Glock, etc., etc. I don't really need to read that. And since we're not an ATF agent, we're gonna use the Hickok 45 method and go ahead and slightly, ever so, pull that back, pull down these takedown tabs, and press that, fire trigger, and let that fire that way. I know some people like to press the trigger first and then they pull back and then do the takedown. I like to do that takedown first and let it go forward a bit and then press the trigger, because I don't want to drop my slide. Because if you drop your slide and you hit this nose ring here at the end and you bend it, well, that's pretty much it for your slide. Yeah, you could try to fix it, but a lot of people's slide never really recovers even if they try to fix this nose ring. Your recoil spring, and that's pretty much it. That's the breakdown. We're pretty much at a field strip. Take your barrel out if you need to. Obviously, that's going to be your extractor claw there, your safety plunger there, your firing pin, the sleeve is there. And so, because when I bought a Glock, I said, if I'm going to buy a Glock, it's might as well I go all out, right? And so I decided, well, why buy one Glock when I can have 2 Glocks? Yes. I literally said, if I'm going to buy a Glock 17, it's might as well I buy another Glock 17. But the reason why I purchased it is because I wanted to have a frame. Well, why do you say that I want to do that? Just get a frame on this one. Well, because I want to make this, as they say, Gucci Glock. And I want to customize it and do some stuff with it. If you know me, you should know by now, I like to kind of go over the top. So the things that came in this box is the same thing that's going to come in that box as well. And that's pretty much it, man. I mean, the grips feel pretty nice. It's nothing too crazy. This is going to be fun to actually modify it. Again, this is my first Glock. I never wanted to get a Glock prior to, and I finally caved and I said, you know what? It's might as well. So I'm going to keep one Glock stock, and then one Glock is going to be to modify. And then to put this back on the rail, pretty much all you're going to do is line up this rail back here. You're gonna line this up with the back of your slide, like so. Let me see if I can get that to show proper. So you're gonna line it up like so, and then all you're gonna do is pull back from that point, and that's it. You're back in line. And so we're gonna do a quick functions check, but also check the brake and the reset on the Glock. So the brake, yeah, the Glocks are notorious for having shitty triggers, and this is damn shitty. This is a lot of uptake before you hit that wall to finally brake. And then that reset is absolute hot garbage. But hey, look, it's a Glock. It works, it's functional, it's reliable, it's what people like. And so, because who's gonna get one Glock and then also say, you know what, let's get another Glock to then make it Gucci'd out and stuff without getting another Glock?
Is he sirs? He ain't sirs. He ain't sirs.
And so this is gonna be the Glock 19 frame that I actually found from SCT, and it's gonna be for the Gen 1 through 3. And I'm just gonna build out a Glock 19 and see how that goes. So like I said, if I'm gonna get a Glock, might as well have some fun with it, right? So that's pretty much the unbox. That's how the Glock is for the Glock 17 Gen 5. And stay tuned for the other Glock videos that I'm clearly gonna make about modding these things, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I showed you that I have the Glock 17 Gen 5. I have 2 of them. Again, one I'm gonna keep stock, and then one I'm gonna kind of Gucci it up a bit, and then I also have that Glock 19. So make sure that you hit that comment, like, and subscribe, and stay around for those videos, because we're gonna get into modifying these things. Tell me what you think I could have did to give you a little more information on the Glock if you wanted that information. But again, it was just a quick unboxing. But until next time, guys, remember, we tactical and we guardians, and we love the Second Amendment over here. So you either gonna catch some law or you gonna catch lead. I see y'all next time.